Hello viewers, my name is Ashok Sen Gupta, faculty from School of Management Sciences, Lucknow. Today friends, we will discuss the topic which is based on types and features of services in banking sector. This topic belongs to the subject financial market and services. Friends, during this topic, you will able to understand the various services provided by the retail banking sector and how we can avail this and what are the different features of these services. So, friends, let us start this topic. Friends, first of all, very important role and types of services, you can say type of services is advancing of loan. The name banking is based on the where they provide the loans and advances to the general public, business organizations, even to the government also. Friends, in retail banking sectors, loans are categorized in different forms according to the need of the customer. Here first is home loan, it is for the purchase of the home or the renovation of the home, flats, bungalow, row houses, any. So, the person who is eligible for that can avail this home loan facility from any retail bank. Important part is that the rate of home loan is quite cheaper than other loans. Second type of loan is automobile loan. This is one of the biggest portfolio of retail banking loan section. Here automobile loan is categorized into three parts: two-wheeler, four-wheeler personal and four-wheeler commercial, sometimes three-wheeler commercial also. Similarly, the person who want to avail the automobile loan have to approach their bank and they can avail the automobile loan according to their need, according to their choice, according to their eligibility. In UP after lockdown, in the month of August, most sale of automobile in compared to other state of the country, and today most of the people are using the loan facility or finance facility from banking sector. This is news is today of Times of India actually. Loans and automobile sectors are not only belongs to the banking, it is also non-banking financial also, like Hinduja Finance, L&T Finance, they also providing automobile loans, Mahindra Finance also provide automobile loans. Next is gold loan. Retail banking sector and non-banking sector like Muthoot Finance also provide the gold loan facility. Bajaj Finance also providing gold loan facility. This facility will help to the investor or to the customer, you can say to the customer to use their gold for proper purpose. It helped them to maintain their liquidity, it helped them to start their business houses, or sometime in some uncertainties they use their gold and against gold they get the cash and it is maintain the liquidity. Another loan is agriculture loan, which is used by the farmers to purchase farm equipment related to the farming or agriculture, seeds, fertilizer, etc. NABARD is one of the bank for the rural development, provide these kind of roles, and some rural banks provide these kind of roles, and even retail bank also provide these roles under their agriculture loan section. Personal loan is one of the category of the loan where person get the loan for this, like for marriage, for other kind of thing, like want to go abroad for holidays, he can avail the personal loan. Beside this, education loan is one of the important part of loan, where a student can get the education loan from the retail banking sector to avail the higher education. They need to do some formalities and they can get the education loan at reasonable rate banking and according to the norms, according to the norms of the banking to whom they provide the loan, to the characteristics of the institutions there, the nature of the institution is important. So, it is a very important part of the loaning system. Again, another type of services provided by the retail banking is overdraft. Overdraft is a kind of facility which availed by the current account holders to pay their debts. This is a short term finance facility providing by the retail banking against their current account. Let us suppose person X have to pay 1 lakh rupees to his employees as a salary for a particular month, but due to some financial reasons he do not have that amount in their bank account, like he only have 40,000. So, balance 60,000 will provide by the bank as overdraft to the client or to the account holder, but limit of overdraft depend on the credit rating of the person, his goodwill, his transactions and the relationship with the bank. So, this is about the overdraft. Next services is discounting of bill of exchanges. Discounting of bill of exchanges. Bill of exchange is a negotiable instrument as per the Negotiable Instrument Act 1881. The time of period of bill of exchange is 90 days. Bill of exchange is generally used in international trade as well as domestic trade. This is a kind of agreement between two parties which is discounted by the financial institution as per the requirement of the seller. Let us understand the working or the process of bill of exchange. Friends, this is a buyer who want to buy something from seller, Seller agree to sell it, but the condition of buyer is he able to do the trade on credit basis, because buyer do not have the cash at particular time. In this case, seller also agreed to do credit trade to maintain the market, to grab the opportunity, but seller give the buyer a bill of exchange to sign. इसको आप इस तरह समझ लिए कि बायर और सेलर के बीच में रिलेशनशिप हुआ, बायर ने सेलर से कहा मैं प्रोडक्ट लेना चाहता हूं आपसे पर मेरे पास पैसे नहीं है, मैं आपको बाद में दूंगा। सेलर भी एग्री था क्योंकि उसके मार्केट में रहना है, मार्केट में, क्रेडिट मार्केट में आज का बेस्ड है, आज के बिना क्रेडिट मार्केट में ही सब कुछ चलता है। तो इन दिस केस सेलर ने बायर से कहा आप एक काम करिए, बिल ऑफ एक्सचेंज साइन कर दीजिए। अब बायर एग्री हो गया, दे साइन अ बिल ऑफ एक्सचेंज। उसमें ये लिखा हुआ था कि आप इतने 90 डेज तक आप मुझे इनको 10 लाख रुपीज़, फॉर एग्जाम्पल 10 लाख रुपीज़ मान के चलते हैं, 10 लाख रुपीज़ लौटाएंगे। 10 लाख का ट्रांजेक्शन हुआ। पर व्हाट्स हैपन आफ्टर द एग्रीमेंट, सेलर फील सम फाइनेंशियल शॉर्टेज, उसके बाद पैसे की कमी होने लगी किसी वजह से, उसको कोई प्रोडक्ट, कोई रॉ मटेरियल खरीदना है या कुछ और कोई पेमेंट करना है, बस उसके फाइनेंशियल क्राइसिस हो गई और अभी बायर से जो 10 लाख रुपए लेने हैं वो बाद में लेने हैं, अभी नहीं ले सकता वो, क्योंकि बिल ऑफ एक्सचेंज साइन कर दिया उन्होंने। अब क्यों क्या करेगा, अब वो जाएगा फाइनेंशियल इंस्टीट्यूशन के पास, बैंक के पास, और बैंक को बोलेगा कि सर आप मेरा बिल ऑफ एक्सचेंज ले लीजिए, इसके बदले मुझे पेमेंट कर दीजिए जो अमाउंट है बिल ऑफ एक्सचेंज का। बैंक एग्री with certain conditions, like bank need the interest rate in advance. Bank never pay the full amount, bank need interest rate full amount. So bank agree at 10% for 3 months. Therefore interest rate 10 lakh into 10% into 3 divided by 100 into 12. Approximately 25,000 होता है, 25,000. सो बैंक ने 25,000 डिडक्ट करके रिमेनिंग बैलेंस पे कर दिया। किसको पे कर दिया, सेलर को। आफ्टर 90 डेज, आफ्टर 90 डेज ऑफ पीरियड, बैंक कॉल टू द बायर एंड आस्क हिम टू repay the amount, and at that time buyer give the whole 10 lakh rupees to the bank. So here my friends, bank get a benefit of 50,000 by paying the 9,75,000 to the seller, and after deducting to 25,000, and get 10 lakhs from the buyer. But important part is that it is a part of services where bank provide the service to the seller, because seller is a client and the seller need money in a shorter period of time, and bank provide that. Friends, bill of exchange is an important negotiation instrument, but important we also keep in mind, bank will never accept the bill of exchange for anyone. The person must be a renowned person or reputed company, then bank will provide this bill of exchange. So friends, I hope this process you understand about the bill of exchange and the process by the bank to maintain the bill of exchange. Next friends, facility of checks. Bank also provide the person account holder a facility to provide a check through which the client or the customer can do the payment, which is safe. These are two example of checks. This is unsafe check and this is safe check, and basic difference of this is this here. If there is lots of mistakes in the check will bounce. Bank never process this check. Check must be clear with handwriting, with the signature. All the detail in the check must be filled, like account number, date, signature, amount in rupees, amount in numericals, and important is to whom you are going to pay the check, the pay name. Bank give this facility to the current account holder as well as the saving account holder, but bank can also charges the bouncing facility if there is any mistake made by the signee. जैसे मैंने बैंक पे चेक पे साइन किया और मैंने चेक पे साइन करने में कुछ गलती कर दी, चेक बाउंस हुआ, तो चेक बाउंसिंग के चार्जेस अप्लाई हो जाते हैं, वो बैंक क्लियरिंग नहीं होगा, वो दोनों पार्टीज़ के अकाउंट से भी पैसा कट सकता है. तो बी केयरफुल वाइल साइनिंग दी चेक, एंड चेक इज ए सेफ मोड. अगर आप अकाउंट पे ही चेक देते हैं, दिस इज द अकाउंट पे ही मोड. अगर साइड में दो साइन कर दें अकाउंट पे ही, तो वो चेक अकाउंट पे ही हो जाता है, इट इज सेफ. अनदर इंस्ट्रूमेंट इज क्रेडिट इंस्ट्रूमेंट लाइक बिल ऑफ एक्सचेंज. आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू प्रोमिसरी नोट, जहाँ इट इज अ पार्ट ऑफ द नेगोशिएशन इंस्ट्रूमेंट ऑल्सो. Currency exchange is a services helpful for the customers who are frequently visited to the international market, or they want to go for tour in international somewhere anywhere in the world. They can exchange their money from the bank and get the foreign currency. Bank also provide the consultancy services. Consultancy services in form of tax saving, investment, etc. The executive of the bank give you the consultancy services for the new project, for investment purpose. Next service is bank guarantee service. Next service is bank guarantee service, where bank help to the customer, existing customer, to give his guarantee against some kind of transaction like tender, in government tender where a bank guarantee is requirement, or in some foreign exchange transaction or some export transactions. Bank helpful to give you guarantee, bank guarantee. Next is transfer of funds. With the help of bank, we can transfer the fund anywhere worldwide to any person account, and it is nowadays very important. Transfer the fund we can using the different apps like Bheem app, Google Pay app, Payphone app. These are the financial assistance or companies which are helpful for the transfer of the fund. By using Bheem, we can transfer my any amount from my account to the person who want to transfer the account. I also can pay the bills, telephone bill, electricity bill with the help of Bheem, pay the LIC premiums. So, this is one of the facility, and now with the help of these companies, this is more easier. Otherwise, you can transfer the fund with the help of internet banking facility or mobile banking facility. Next is credit card. Friends, this is credit card. This is a card just like a debit card, and this credit card facility is given to the customer by maximum all banking. They give you a credit limit of 58 days for the payment. After 58 days, if you are not able to pay, they charges. Till 58 days, sometimes 56 days, they will never charge anything. If you buy the article or any commodity from with the help of credit card. It is a different, it looks like a debit card, but it is different in its feature only. In credit card, banks gives you credit for particular time period, which is 58 days from the date of purchasing. Friends, this is ATM automatic teller machine. We all know this is a service by the bank to withdraw the cash anytime 24/7, but condition applied, money, cash must be in the machine. Cash deposit machine is one of the new innovation in banking system, where bank reduces their load for cash deposit, especially SBI and using cash deposit machine, and ask the customer, if you want to deposit cash, deposit in the cash deposit machine, which helps banking system to run smoothly, and it is also gives the facility to the customer or client to deposit the money any time, not in the banking hours. Debit card, I told you that there is similarity in debit card, and looks wise is very similar like credit card, but difference is that in debit card amount will deduct or debited from your bank account, but in credit card banks give you the credit limit. This is a facility. Most of the banks provide the debit card with when you opening the account, saving account, but you have to apply for the credit card if you want to avail the service of the credit card also. Next is online banking. With the help of internet facility, or you can say advanced technology in telecommunication, networking, we are able to avail these services, online banking. We are doing our banking needs, transfer of money, check the accounts, check the detail, apply for the loan, all these things by using online banking platform provided by the banks. They also provide you the user ID and password. You can use it from your laptop, desktop, even mobiles. Mobile banking, it is more advanced version of online banking, because we have nowadays smartphones. Rather to go for the banking website and then click on the customer portal, then click and then put the customer ID and password. Mobile banking facility give you a more easy way to handle the banking system. Just you need to download the application from a play store of particular bank in which your account is, and then you can use PIN option, and using the mobile banking system, it is same as the services is same, but using application is different, and mobile banking is more frequently using these days, because it is mobile is always with us. We carry mobile every time, but laptop and desktop is not always with us. So, mobile banking system is one of the helpful thing. Accept and deposits. Bank accepts the saving accounts cash from the customers, and then use this to public investment and give you the share as a investment as a interest. Similarly, in case of fixed deposits and recurring deposit, we deposit some amount, bank give us the return and use this money for economic growth. Priority banking, this is a modern day banking where banking system give the special kind of services to the prior customer, important customer who having the good wealth, they give the special facility to them. Most private banking are doing this kind of services to maintain the customer relationship. Similar to the private banking, banking system also maintain the wealth of the individual. They give you the advices, they give you they maintain your accounts, they give you the best options for the investment like taxation, insurance services, portfolio management, etc. Friends, this is the example of Yes Bank wealth management system. When you click on the wealth management Yes Bank, they give the facility and this is the snapshot of there. In this they will provide you, they are providing you insurance services like general insurance and life insurance. They are providing the dematerialization of the shares, mutual fund, debts, equity, fixed maturity plan. They assist you to open account or invest in the mutual fund, and also value added services like NSDL e-governance, where you find the detail of the share trading, share balances and clearing things. So, this is the wealth management system and services of the bank, which is nowadays very popular. So, friends, I think in this whole lecture you understand about the various activities and the services performed by the banking system. It is a private banking, priority banking, ATM facilities, loan facilities. Now, banks are not restricted to providing only the loan, they also give you the consultancy, how you want, where you want to invest, from where you give the highest return. They assist you to invest your money in fixed deposit and fixed deposit, recurring deposit, and it is very flexible. You can do the fixed deposit for a 1 month, 3 month only. No need to deposit your money for the 1 year, 5 year, no long term, short term services. Recurring deposit with very minimum amount 500 rupees, and you can close it anytime by banking system, online banking system or mobile system. After that, priority banking, internet banking uses and wealth banking. So, friends, I hope after this lecture you will understand how bank give you the various kind of services, various kind of facility which helps the banking system to moving ahead. They are competing with each other to provide the best option, best service to the customers, and you can avail these services by visiting the branch or the website of the companies where they available for more services. Thank you for watching this video.